Europe awaits, a land of rich history, stunning architecture, and unforgettable experiences. Your dream trip starts with smart packing. It's the first step to ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. Imagine strolling through Europe. Cobblestone streets under your feet. Delicious food tantalizing your taste buds. Amazing history at every corner. You're so excited. The anticipation is building. But first, you need to pack efficiently. Don't worry, packing for Europe can be easy and fun. With a few smart tips, you'll be ready in no time. We will get you ready for your trip. From choosing the right clothes to organizing your essentials, we've got you covered. Packing smart means less stress. A lighter suitcase means more freedom to explore. You can move easily with a lighter bag. Navigating airports and train stations becomes a breeze. Plus, you'll have space for souvenirs. Those special mementos from your trip will fit perfectly. Let's start packing and make this trip unforgettable. Pack light, travel right. When you're exploring the charming streets of Europe, less truly is more. Less is more on European adventures. Imagine the freedom of moving effortlessly through bustling markets and historic sites. Imagine this, you're pulling your heavy suitcase over cobblestones. It's exhausting and takes away from the joy of your journey. Not fun. Packing light is key to enjoying Europe. Bring only the essentials. A small backpack or compact suitcase can make all the difference. Choose clothes you can mix and match. Think versatile pieces that can be dressed up or down. A few basic tops and bottoms can create many outfits. This way, you can look stylish without overpacking. Don't forget comfortable shoes for walking. You'll be doing a lot of it, and comfort is key to enjoying your adventure. With a lighter load, you'll have more energy to take in the sights and create unforgettable memories. Roll like a pro, mastering the art of space-saving packing. This technique is essential for any traveler looking to maximize their luggage space. Rolling your clothes is a game changer. Not only does it save space, but it also keeps your clothes organized and easy to find. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. Fold clothes in half to create a smooth surface before rolling. Then, roll them tightly from one end to the other. This ensures that your clothes stay compact and wrinkle-free. See how compact they become? Rolled clothes take up significantly less space than folded ones. You can fit more in your suitcase. This method allows you to pack more outfits and essentials without overstuffing your bag. This leaves room for all your souvenirs. With the extra space, you can bring back memories from your travels without worrying about space constraints. Cube it up. Organizing your suitcase for maximum efficiency. Packing cubes are your new best friend. These small bags keep your suitcase organized. Pack shirts in one cube, pants in another. This makes finding things so easy. No more digging through a messy suitcase. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit. Souvenir strategy. Bringing home treasures without the baggage bulge. Who can resist European souvenirs? Plan for them. Pack a lightweight foldable bag in your suitcase. This extra bag is perfect for souvenirs. You can also ship souvenirs home. This saves space and weight in your luggage. Now you can shop without worry. Weather-ready wardrobe. Dressing for Europe's diverse climates. Europe has varied weather. Be prepared. Pack layers of clothing. A light jacket is essential, even in summer. Check the weather forecast before you go. Pack accordingly. Don't forget essentials like sunglasses and a hat. With these packing tips, you're ready for an amazing European adventure. Remember, pack light, stay organized, and be prepared for anything. Now relax and enjoy your trip. Bon voyage!